First, you have to download the map of the empire of which you want to create flag map. Then download the flag of the same empire. Open your picture editor and change the background to transparent. Import the map of the empire that you downloaded from Google. Click on eraser and erase the background of that map. Click on color and enable it. And choose the suitable color for that map. Then change the background to a color that is not present in the flag of that empire. Then export the image in gallery. Again, you have to change the background to transparent and delete all objects. Import the flag of the empire. Now import the image that you created. Adjust the flag according to the map. Click on erase color and erase the color of the map from the image. Export the image in the gallery. Delete all the objects again. Import the image that you created and crop it. Erase the background color of the map. Click on shadow and stock and enable them. Then export the map into your gallery and delete all the extra images. If you are creating mapping videos and want to know how to add shaking effect, then watch this video now.